So after many requests, I am doing another Aaliyah tutorial. I'm just using this palette right here by Revlon and taking these icy-ish, bluish, it's kind of like a silver and blue color mixed together, and I'm going to place that heavily on my lid. I want to make sure that it is nice and pigmented, so I am going to go in there a couple of times and pat that in. Then with this darker navy blue color, I am going to take a card here and just kind of blend that in there. You want to build it up. Don't take too much color at first. Just build it up afterwards. So just use any of these shades if you have anything on you. It'll look very, very similar, trust me. And you just want to create a V shape, because if you look at Aaliyah's eyes during it, that's what she has. So then I'm taking this palette right here, this Earth Shade palette by Dido Cosmetics, and using this berryish color, and this is just going to be the transition right here. Then with a flesh tone color, I'm going to blend those two colors together to mesh it up. Then I'm going to take some liquid eyeliner and create a very small winged liner, and also extend the inner corners. Now this look seems complicated, but it really isn't that bad. It was actually pretty easy to achieve. With that same navy blue color, you're going to place that on your lower lash line and blend. Also with some black liner, you're going to want to line your waterline as well. So the part that's going to get a little more complicated is when we get to the lashes. So just make sure you put lots of mascara on and choose a kind of like a spiky lash, because it looks like that's what she was wearing. I am just taking some of these magnetic lashes right here, and they're from Wakeup&Makeup on Amazon, and also some individuals, and I'm going to place 3 of those individuals on my lower lash line because it looked like she had long false lashes on her bottom lash line, unless her artist just used eyeliner. With some glitter, I'm going to take a dot of glue, eyelash glue, and I'm going to put some glitter there. You can also take an adhesive jewel. I just feel like this is a lot easier than the adhesive jewel, especially if you're a beginner. The jewel is just kind of hard to get there. Now I'm just taking some pink blush and I'm going to place this all over my face. Aaliyah did have a few different looks in this video, but I felt like the brown look is very simple and kind of boring, something that I've done a lot on this channel, so I wanted to do the typical Y2K blue look that I absolutely love. Then with the color Naked, I'm going to line my lips. This color is by Urban Decay. She just had a nude lip with a pop of pink in there. It was very nude and glossy. This is super early 2000s. I am taking the NYX lip color in Hippie Chic and placing that all over my lips, and that's going to give you kind of that really bright nude lip that we're going for. But anyways, that's how you achieve the island look from Rock the Boat. I am just taking a little bit more lip gloss by Anastasia Hills. You don't need to do this. You can skip this step if you'd like. This is just like a nude gloss. But this is the look right here. And this right here is the look she had on when it was like the more blue look. I didn't do the light brown look, but I hope you guys enjoyed this Y2K Aaliyah look, and I will see you guys in my next nostalgic video. Bye guys!